A-1 Locksmith and Security, how may I help you today?
Okay, actually she's on a call. Can I have her call you right back?
Okay. What city are you in, please, ma'am?
She have your number.
And what year, make, and model is the vehicle?
What's your phone number?
92 Civic, okay. For us to come out and open that for you, you're looking at a grand total of $55. There are no taxes or anything, and we accept cash, checks, or any major credit cards.
Just a moment.
I'll have her call you right back.
Yes, ma'am. We're all licensed, bonded, and insured, and have been in business since 1949.
Yes, sir.
No, ma'am. That is with the service call included. It is a flat fee of $55.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's the address where the vehicle is located, please, Cindy?
CX7.
Is it a house?
What city is the vehicle in, sir?
Is it a house, apartment, or place of business?
What city is the vehicle in? Crowley.
Okay.
Okay.
And what's a telephone number for you, please, ma'am?
All right, hold just a moment, please.
And what color is the vehicle? Okay. I will get that all set for you, Cindy, for my next available technician. I'll be sure he gives you a courtesy call as soon as we're en route to your vehicle. You're very welcome. Bye-bye.